comes in the kit for the Mazda Miata. You have a manifold, upper downpipe, lower downpipe, V-band clamps, and the V-band flanges. On the lower downpipe, you have your O2. With it being on this side, it allows us to get some rotation, so you can fit it wherever it fits in your car. Alright, we'll start with the manifold. You get this in a 1.6 liter or 1.8 liter flange. The T28 is what comes with it stock. We do have the potential to put a T3 flange on it if needed. We'll go ahead and get this installed and show you what it looks like. Now we got our manifold in, our turbo on, we'll go ahead and get the upper downpipe installed. Next we're going to install our upper downpipe. We have recesses notched in here for bolt clearance, which is a nice key feature on the upper downpipe for the Miata. Go ahead and get this installed and show you what it looks like. Right, now we got this installed. We do have some wiggle room in between the turbo itself and the downpipe. So we need to make sure once you get this installed that you keep it off of either the subframe this way or the engine going the other direction. We'll show you again from the bottom what that's going to look like. Alright, so now up underneath you can see how much movement we have here in the downpipe. So you need to make sure when you get this thing set that you don't hit on the body or hit on the engine. Next we're going to install the lower downpipe section. We're going to use the lower downpipe and one V-band clamp. Move this on here and we'll be able to adjust where your O2 sensor is via turning this lower downpipe. Now we got the lower downpipe installed. Let me make sure that we don't touch the body anywhere. We have a lot of movement in here in order to be able to mate up to your existing exhaust here. We make the lower downpipe quite long so that way we can mate to basically any kind of exhaust that you happen to have on your car. We're going to use these V-band flanges. We're going to go over the lower downpipe. One side will go on the lower downpipe, this other side will go on your existing exhaust. You will need to weld this to your existing exhaust. We do have a lot of movement in here so that you can mate up in pretty much any location that happens to be on your exhaust. Alright, so now we have the exhaust. So you can see you have plenty of room to make these two join in pretty much any location. So you just cut this one here, cut this one here, and you put your V-band in this general location for this setup. Alright, so as you can see, the reason we did this extension here is because there's multiple different ends on multiple different styles of exhaust between NA, NB, NA6, NA8, etc. So that's why we decided to go with this route, so that this would fit just basically any different design that you have on your car. So again, on this setup, we're going to be cutting right about here and then putting our V-band in that general area and just having it welded on by their exhaust shop, or if you can weld, you can do it yourself. Alright, that wraps up the install on our Miata manifold downpipe setup. As always, any questions, give us a call, 719-575-0202.